It goes beyond breathtaking, it really does. Like, I'm just mouth open all the way along. Seriously though, how about this for a park up for the night? Some adventures don't start with a map. They start with a feeling. A quiet pull to somewhere new, to breathe a little deeper and to see the world with your own eyes. For us, life has become about the simple things. The places we go, the people we love, and the memories we make along the way. So we travel in our little home on wheels whenever we can, chasing the quiet roads, wild coastlines, and those moments that remind you why it's worth stepping outside your routine. This isn't about rushing to the next destination, it's about wandering slowly, finding meaning in the in-between, and letting the journey shape us. This is Roads Beyond the Map, where every mile tells a story, and every moment matters. So we're just going to go for it. Good morning all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to leave this beautiful town of Sisteron. The plan is simple, we're going to follow the road to Bars and then into the gorges, and then we're going to see how far the mountains will take us. So join us now in the city of Digny, although it feels much more like a large town really. Population of around 16,000. But what we're actually here for is this, for the Cathedral Notre Dame du Bourg. The Notre Dame du Bourg is a Romanesque cathedral in this here town of Digny-les-Bains. It dates mainly from the 11th to the 13th century, though the site itself goes back much further. It was once the main cathedral of the Diocese of Digny, before a newer cathedral, St. Jerome, took over.
Can't really get to see it. So this was built 800-900 years ago, I believe.
The Notre Dame du Bourg isn't just a church, it's layered history. It's built over Roman remains, it was expanded during the medieval period, and it was damaged and altered over time through earthquakes, decline and restoration. And underneath it is a crypt with archaeological remains including Roman-era structures, early Christian remains and medieval burial areas. It's basically a timeline of the town beneath their feet. It's not grand like Notre Dame in Paris. It's quieter, heavier, it feels much more grounded, with the thick stone walls, soft dim interior light, faded frescoes and warm textures, a slightly forgotten atmosphere.
Bonjour.
It has that kind of, this place has been here a long time feeling. Right everybody, so that is the cathedral done. Now we head to Clos des Bars. Yes, Clos des Bars, which is a natural gorge and choke point. And looks like it's going to be pretty stunning. So we'll get on and we'll see you as we get to the gorge. Okay. See you soon, guys.
old habit's got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This old habit's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. Your sweet allure, it is too much for me. You got me on my knees. I know I should just walk away, but your hold on me won't give away. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. You pull me in. You pull me in. You pull me in. You pull me
Now, I don't know whether I'm going to be saying something controversial here or not. And admittedly, Rose and I didn't do as many back road exploring in the Alps in Switzerland as what we're doing here in France. But my impressions of the Alps in France far exceed my impressions of the Alps in Switzerland, which is still an amazingly beautiful country. And we saw some amazing mountain passes, we drove the famous triple Swiss loop, etc. But just compared to these gorges, this way, and the backdrops and stuff we've seen, and the trails we've been able to find, it goes beyond breathtaking. It really does. Like, I'm just mouth open all the way along, just a gasp. And made so much better by the fact that we've got fresh cinnamon buns made by yours truly on a gorgeous sunny day, right? Yeah, I'm gonna sit for a minute and just enjoy. See you in a mo. And so, we keep driving. Not because we need to get somewhere, but because it felt like the road just didn't want to end. The gorge slowly opened up around us, the cliffs easing their grip, and the river still running clear and impossibly blue beside us. It didn't matter how far the camp was. Miles down the road, somewhere ahead. For once the destination didn't feel important. Because this was enough. Snow still clung to the tops of the mountains, holding on to winter, while everything below had softened into spring. The sky stayed clear, the air stayed still, and the road, it just carried us through it all. Narrow, quiet, empty. The kind of road you don't rush, but the kind of road you remember. We followed the line carved into the earth, a place shaped by forces older than anything around us, splitting rock, guiding water, quietly deciding the path long before we arrived. And somewhere along the way, without really noticing, we slowed down. Not just the van, but everything. I mean, the noise, the pressure, the rush to get somewhere else, it all faded into the background, replaced by simple things. Warm food, a quiet place to stop, a moment to just sit and take it in. Days like this don't ask for anything. They don't need drama, or challenge, or change. They just remind you why you came. Seriously though, how about this for a park up for the night? Snow-capped mountains, alpine mountains. I mean, look at the trees. It's just lush. Right on the edge of a river. How beautiful. Oh my word, look at the mountains over here. Wow. Tucked away. There are some houses in the distance over there. Might be a farm or something actually, something industrial maybe. And there's a road way off in the distance behind us here. You can hear the odd car for now, but I think that'll go quiet very soon. And all we're here is this wonderful little river. A very cold glacial river. That wind actually, now the sun's going down. Ooh, it's cold. Right, let's get some dinner on.
This old habit's got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This old habit's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can shake